Taking Megalodon to the bush.
Yep.
Let's go. Making a donut. Oh my goodness. It's so dusty now. Look at that donut. More donut on the leaves. Let's see. Oh, nice. Let's go, Megalodon. We're in the bush now. Oh no.
Huh?
There we go.
We can go that way. What's right, that way or this way?
Anyway. Let's go. Megalodon, you ran over the tree. Woohoo. Where?
There.
Where's Megalodon?
Come.
There it is, hiding in the bush. Can we get it out? Oh no!
No, wait, but
Seems like he is stuck.
he's not.
He's not?
Look at her donut.
Look at his donut.
Yeah.
Back on the road. Megalodon leading the way. A nice bushwalk. What's that over there?
Like that.
Yeah. Hey? Yeah, that over there. Want to go and have a look? Let's go. What is this? More donuts. Wow, look how big this rope is. It's like a shoelace. Huh? No?
Oh, fine.
You're so high up.
I know. Oh my god.
Megalodon. Very nice. On top of the world. Is that easy?
Look at trees.
So many trees around us.
Yeah.
Look at this bushland. It's beautiful.
And this bush. Come on, buddy.
Come on, buddy. Let's go. Oh! Helping him up. Let's keep following the path, Megalodon. Sure is. The little twigs flipped it over. Oh, he's an obstacle. Look. Can the Megalodon jump through this hoop?
I can.
But you can.
Yeah, I can do that.
Oh yeah. Oh, good balance, good balance. What are you gonna do in this one? Oh, under. Wah! Over. Where's Megalodon?
Commander.
Too hard for Megalodon. Can you go on this one?
Yeah. I think Mr.
Oh, can he go? You gonna help him out? He needs help. Oh, he can go up this one. I think he can make it.
Watch out.
Watch out. Made it through. Let's go to the next stop. What could it be? Did they have any more here?
Yeah.
Yeah? A rock? Wow, it's windy today. Oh, look at the trees. Woo. Good job, Megalodon. Josh's turn. Whoop. You're fine? Let's go. I think there's a playground here. Let's find it. Oh, it's stuck. Stuck in the tall grass. Megalodon's not good in the tall grass. See the galah over there?
Yeah.
So pretty.
Yeah. There's a puppy there.
Oh, flowers for Mama. That's so pretty. Let's see. That is very pretty. Thank you, Joshy. There's so many.
You know what these is?
What are they?
They're like white.
What?
They're white flowers.
They're beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
We're leaving for the bees.
About one more.
One more? That's a tough one. How about you go for a different one? Oh! You got it. For Mom? Wow.
Another one.
Thank you, baby. I'm holding it too.
Let's go. Let's
go.
One?
There's one over there. The playground. Let's go find it. Up this little hill, and there will be a playground. Are you catching up to the Megalodon? You catching up? Whew, so windy. You want faster?
No.
No? Okay. Push? Okay. Ready? Go up this slide?
We're in the bottom.
Yeah, I'll wait for you at the bottom. Wow. And you jump? Would you jump that high? No? This high you can. Ready? Woohoo! Oh, thank you, baby. Yes, I do. I give it my hand and I can hold it. I'm holding Megalodon. That is beautiful. Wow.
Let's go now. Have your other flowers?
Yep, I've got it in my bag. Let's go. Give him a wash. Everywhere. Give him nice and clean. Oh yeah. Yep, he went in the dirt, so now he needs a wash.